Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the surface and picking the first sticker to commit to placement. Clean the fabric with isopropyl alcohol so adhesive bonds. Once dry, lay stickers on a flat surface and arrange decor by size and color, then take a photo. You'll peel the backing on the first sticker, align its top edge to a seam or landmark, and press the center outward while smoothing to the edges to avoid bubbles. This gives a precise, durable first anchor. Once the first sticker is secure, you continue by smoothing and layering. Use a stiff card to push air out from the center toward the edges. This prevents peeling and creates a clean look. For layered designs, overlap by about 1/8 to 1/4 inch so edges bond. Trim any corners that catch using sharp scissors. If the backpack sees heavy wear, make sure to apply a fabric-safe, clear sealant sparingly to high-stress zones to reinforce adhesion without stiffening the whole panel. You finish by thoroughly pressing and allowing time to cure. Firmly press the entire sticker area for 30 to 60 seconds, concentrating on seams and corners so edges bond. Once done, let the backpack sit untouched for 24 to 48 hours and keep it dry so the adhesive sets. If an edge lifts later, gently warm the spot with a low hair dryer for a few seconds, rub the adhesive with a card while cooling, and press firmly. This reactivates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.